Three words. Intent, intentional, purpose. Intent, intentional, purpose. Intent. Y'all just doing this. Think that's gonna get you to start defense? Do you know what's gonna get you to start defense? Being what? More what? Intent. Move like you're trying to get to it. See the difference? You moving. Intentional. That's what y'all look like. Now what does it look like? I'm intentionally moving my body so I can what? Get through. For the purpose of what? I want to make a play. Right? So, I'm moving my body. Y'all laughing? This is what you look like. That's what y'all look like. We're gonna be scared for you to come tackle him on the field. All right? Intense. Be intense when you're playing. Be intense when you're going through the drill. If you intense to going through the drill, it's easy in the game. It's a part of you. It's natural. You know how to do it. Intentional. You know what you're doing. High knees up. Pumping my arms. Sliding through the stakes. Ripping through. Punch and grab. Getting to the point. Go to make a sack. I'm purposely trying to come sack with you. I'm purposely trying to come tackle you. I'm purposely trying to throw you on the ground. I'm purposely trying to beat you. Intent. Intentional. Purpose. Put them three together. That improves your effort. That improves your execution. That turns from I can do it to I will do it. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So if you out here, that means you out here because you want to get better. That means you out here because you want to learn how to work. That means you out here because you want to learn why players become successful at the sports you want to play. Start doing that. I know it's funny. I know we're going to laugh, have some good times. But at the end of the day, we're going to do what?
Work hard.
Work. That's what we out here to do. All right? Stop wasting your time. Because when this day is gone, we don't get it back. When that play happens on the field, we don't get it back. When that game is over, we don't get it back. I should have did this. I should have did that. How come you didn't? You had the opportunity. What stopped you? Was it the team or was it you? Be intense. Be intentional. Know the purpose. Have a purpose. Work the purpose. All right? That's what we out here for. TeamNpacT. Team Nightingale's purposely active conditioning training. So when I said that, when I wrote the name out, guess what I put in it? Team Nightingale's purposely active conditioning training. Because when I see young players, y'all ain't in shape. Y'all not conditioned. Y'all wake up out the bed, okay, let's go play a game. And then when the game is over, you running around like, let's play football in the parking lot. What? You just got blown out in the game. How come you didn't do that on the field? What makes having an opportunity to do it on the field different from doing it in the parking lot where ain't nobody even watching? If that's the case, what you was doing in the parking lot, you should have did on the field. Switch that around. Be in shape so you can play the game on the field. Not just the football field, in your classroom, in your community, at home. The work just don't stop and start here. Keeps going. I would do a disservice to you if I didn't explain that to you. It's bigger than the sport you play. Life. You ripping the shirt. Entering beast mode. Train like a beast. And then you standing like two cotton soft nickels. That ain't together. If you're gonna advertise it, advertise it. Not that I can see it here, but I can see it in your actions. You ain't got to walk around with the billboard sign saying train like a beast, and I know you train like a cotton ball. That don't go together. If you're gonna train like a beast, be a beast. Be a beast where Coach Rod or any coach you have don't have to pull the beast up out of you. But we will. So that's our jobs. But we shouldn't have to. Because we looking to you to pull the beast out of the guys that's on the side of you. Then the team is full of what? Beasts. Because y'all are slaves that work together. Alright? That's what we're here for. Don't want to have this speech no more. If I need to, it's probably going to be more intense. You're probably not going to like it. Alright? Let's work. So remember, laying down, get up. High knees, push it through it, pick your feet up. The tire shouldn't move. Get around, slide downhill. Don't make a play. You know what the drill is about? Do the drill. Ready? Go.
2016 first annual football camp at TeamNpacT.
Up, David. Knees up. That's better, Zach. Pump them arms. Move them arms, David. Get them arms on your feet. Move, move. Ain't gonna make a play without your arms.
First annual 2016 TeamNpacT football camp.
All the way through. Come on, Taylor. We waiting on you. All the way, all the way. Move, 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 move. Go make the play, go make the play, go make the play. Bring it in. TeamNpacT loud and proud on three. TeamNpacT loud and proud on three. 1, 2, 3.
TeamNpacT.